Meteorologist Brittany Beggs joins us now live in the Weather Center talking about a fun experiment with the cold and bubbles. Good morning, Brittany.
Good morning, Natalie. Yeah, we can take advantage of this cold morning. I actually did this last night when the air temperature was 29 degrees around 7:30. What you need is dish soap and a straw. And so I did this last night, and it takes it a little bit. And so what I had to do is I had to actually stick these bubbles. Eventually the bubbles didn't pop, and I took the bubbles and I was able to put them on one of our tables. So excuse the cracked door there. So what happens is, depending on how frigid the temperature is, last night it was 29 when I did this, the colder it is, the faster it'll take. It only took 1 minute and 30 seconds for this bubble to freeze. And it froze on the door here, on the table. And what ends up happening is it gets hard. First, it starts crystallizing in the center of the bubble. And if we ever get a zoom in, you can see kind of how it's starting to collapse there. So it freezes, and instead of bursting and then it's gone, it actually starts ripping. And you can see that there's two of them there. There's the one in the front that's still crystallizing. The one behind it started to rip. You can actually touch it eventually. So this took only 1 minute and 30 seconds for an air temperature of 29 degrees for a bubble to freeze. But of course, this morning, because it's much colder, the air temperature is 15 out there, so it'll take it probably much faster for that bubble. And actually, let's see if I put it on there. Actually, I think I touched it eventually. Yeah, so then you can see it collapse. So it's just a fun thing you can do with the kids this morning. See how long it takes that bubble to freeze. It's a little tricky, but because it's so cold this morning, probably have a better opportunity for that. This will be on our website, WRCBTV.com. Natalie.